because if you know anything about me, I don't play about my grills not eat. I don't play about my teeth. Alright, so what's up everybody? It's your girl Ja, Gorgeous, Jari, whatever you want to call me. Today, as you can see, I'm kind of dressed down or whatever the case may be. Actually, this is very much a sports bra, so please excuse me for my appearance right now. But this is kind of going to be, I don't know how I'm going to do this. This is either going to be 2 videos in one, or I'm just going to post this video, or I'm just going to post the other video. But regardless, right now I'm doing this video about how I whiten my teeth. I'm going to let you guys in a little something about how I get my teeth as light as they are. Before we get to that, if this is your first time to my channel, hello. If this is not your first time, welcome back, fam. I forgot, I'm so rude. The kit that I'm gonna get into today is this 5-minute teeth whitening kit. Alright, so right now, I decided that I was just gonna do a voiceover for this because if I was to talk in this video, I would be talking too much. And I'm just gonna give y'all my personal tips. It has things on the back of this, but I'm gonna give y'all a little extra crispy tip that's gonna help y'all. So one thing that I really appreciate about this is that it's super easy. The instructions are so easy and it doesn't take long for you to see results. So step 1, you just want to brush your teeth to remove any gobbledygook you have. You know, I usually do this right in the morning when I first wake up, right before I get in the shower, or at night before I go to sleep. So you just want to make sure you're brushing and getting any extra crusty stuff out of your teeth. And then my personal step after that is to soak the mouthpiece that comes in this package in some extremely hot water inside of a little cup or container or whatever for about 30 seconds to a minute. Just because it was sitting in this package, you know, I wouldn't want it to, like, I don't know, I just like to disinfect my stuff. So you just want to let that sit before you put that in your mouth to kill any germs as much as possible. Even if you want to pour a little mouthwash in there, go right on ahead. So after you take that out, you just want to make sure that you get that gel out of the pack. Ew, I know y'all judge me in the comments for that. Don't come on my neck. But you just want to put a fine layer of the gel on both sides of that mouthpiece. And you're going to tell which side is the top and which side is the bottom, because in the part where there's the top is going to be a groove in between where your gum is, where that little bridge is in your mouth. I have my smiley pierced right there, but you'll know what I'm talking about when you see it. And you just want to sit that in your mouth, evenly coated on both sides at your discretion. I don't personally put that much gel because I have small teeth, but you want to let that sit for 5 minutes. After that 5 minutes, you're going to take it out, brush your teeth again. Make sure you don't swallow any of this product, and you want to clean the mouth guard as well. Literally, that's all there is to it, y'all. Like, that's the whole process. You can do this as many times as you want. I personally like measure my results over a 2-week span, but right here I'm just cleaning up, you know, brushing my teeth, mouth washing and all of that. But that's the whole process. I usually do this, and when I sit with the tray in my mouth, I do that for the duration of the time that I'm in the shower. So you can really do this however many times a week within that 2-week span that you want. And I feel like the more often that you see it, the more often that you use the product, the faster you'll get results. But I mean, it really depends on what shade of whiteness you're looking for, but it's not that hard. You know, I personally have used this prior, and I just recently started using it again, and I feel like I've been seeing results within like 3 days. So it's really up to you. If you try this, if you want to find this, you can find this at Dollar Tree, literally. And if you use this, please let me know like how it worked for you, because I've never had any problems. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time.